Hello, learners. You are welcome to lesson 2 on topic 2. My name is Professor Isaac Butsot, your facilitator. On this lesson, we'll be looking at the issue of heat detection in animals. You will enjoy it because there are practical applications. As I said, the topic for lesson 2 is heat detection methods. And I'm sure you will enjoy it. By way of introduction, we are going to be studying methods of heat detection in farm animals and also the practical aspects. And at the end, you should be able to properly identify signs of heat in some farm animals. You should also know what to do in practice in some of these farm animals as far as heat detection is concerned. Now, heat period, by way of definition, is the time within the estrous cycle when the female animal stands to be mounted and mated by the male. The estrous cycle, on the other hand, refers to the cycle from one period of heat to the other in the same female animal. Heat or estrous detection becomes necessary when animals are to be artificially inseminated and indeed during embryo transfer. There is need to keep accurate breeding records when such issues are involved. Checking for absence of pregnancy after breeding is also important. Now, there are various signs of estrus in animals depending on the species. I've taken 3 species where I show you differences in observable signs. For instance, in sow and ewe and cow, swollen vulva is found in the sow, but no swollen vulva in the ewe. Sometimes you have the swollen vulva in the cows. As far as mucus secretion is concerned, you do not have any in the sow, you do not have any in the ewe, but sometimes you have in the cow. And as far as behavior is concerned, a lot of them become restless, nervous, and they urinate rather more frequently. They tend to have some vocal emissions in sow, and they could try to even mate. Some of them had mates, especially in cows. A lot of them, or virtually all of them, will now stand to be mated by the male during heat period. And for the sow, immobile response to man upon back pressure is observed. In sows, intake bore can be introduced into a pen for females and observation made of those females, the bore attempts to mount. Back pressure can also be applied on the suspected sow on heat, and she could be immobile if on heat. In use, vasectomized rams can be fitted with marking harnesses containing marking crayons. The radle ram can be made to run, which the ewe flock use on heat will stand to be mounted and marked. In the cow, intact or vasectomized bull can be fitted with a chin ball marker and introduced into a herd of cows. Cows on heat will stand to be mounted and marked. In conclusion, heat detection is very important in livestock management, especially where females are kept separate from the males. Knowing the signs of heat is therefore important for optimum reproduction and indeed efficient reproduction. Thank you. Have a good time.